Hello and welcome to GeoUnderground. Today we're going to be going over the map basics, item trees, layers, library, and the user administration. If you've already worked with GIS tools, you'll probably be familiar with GeoUnderground's toolset. There are two main cursors in GeoUnderground. One is for querying. You can use it to make a point query. This is handy if you have multiple layers on top of each other or attributes on top of each other and you want to search for all of them. Or if you want to create a box to search for all of the items within inside of that. The other tool that we have is used for map panning and selecting. Here you can click on layers and get their feature information, including attributes, and with standard layers, associated documents. There are two item trees in GeoUnderground, one of them being for layers and the other being for the file library. These trees allow for waterfall permissions, which means that you can set the permissions for the base folder and then fine-tune permissions for each folder underneath. Let's do an import of a zip file filled with shapefiles. If you have a modern browser, you can just drag and drop. Excellent. Let's create a sample layer. There's a few tools that you can use to make layers. For this one, we're just going to be using the freehand tool. You can associate documents to a feature on a layer by clicking on it and just dragging the document from the file library. And something that I like about GeoUnderground is the ability to collaborate with other people. Permissions work in a waterfall type fashion. Permissions are always set for the root folder, and permissions are set to inherited for every folder underneath until you change that. So for the United States, we're going to add a collaborative folder here. And now I'm going to give all users the ability to rewrite.